Hello, welcome to this guided meditation on bouncing back from the burnout symptoms by focusing on your breath. If possible, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed for a few minutes. Place yourself in a comfortable position. Allow yourself to simply be in the present moment. Your eyes can be open, partially or fully closed. Whatever you feel right now, it's okay. You're allowing everything to be as it is. Take a slow and deep breath in and breathe out in the same way, feeling in this moment whatever comes to the surface. You may be tired, exhausted, frustrated, or you may experience the mixture of various feelings. By allowing them all to be, you are opening the space for your recovery. Now, you're going to take a breath in through your nose for a count of 4 by taking it into your belly and breathing out through your nose or mouth for a count of 4. You can mentally count while breathing. Repeat the entire round 6 times or more. And let's start. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Letting go. Again. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and fully breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Releasing the tension. And breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and breathe out, 2, 3, 4, and breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and slowly breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, and breathe out, 2, 3, 4. With each out breath, feel how you release what you need to release by attuning to yourself. Take a few moments to breathe in this way. Now, return to your natural cycle of breathing. And slowly return your attention to your body. And if your eyes have been closed, gently open them. When you're ready, you can move on.